Catch him in our lives. Must catch one or two today, you know, my peeps. See it, yeah? Yes, guys. Bust the front and face. You know what is this, my peeps? We're outside, we're in a pour like crazy. So you're gonna see. So them pretty guys. Yeah, man, this is honey. So sweet. Do not see my people. You could have been at the bush now. Go that pretty.
Second one, man.
Good morning, my lovely viewers and subscribers. For you see the face here, when you know so the one chef is back with another epic video. Guys, we are going to the bush today, you know. Yeah, we are going to try to catch some fish and stuff. So we are get little snacks and little goodie where we can touch in the bush with, because it's a journey. Far down in the bush we are go, guys. So I look bread and I just know maybe I have to go buy that one, yeah. Get 2 cheese bread as well. Guys, thank you all for your support, you know. Yeah, man. Buy 1 2-liter Pepsi as well. Water. Yeah, man. So guys, this is my little town. We have a KFC over there, so yeah. My town is big enough, my people. Yeah, man.
You must tell respect.
Well, I respect, man.
No, peace side come out of your life, though. You know how long you say you want to see peace like one? You say look now?
Let me see, look good. Yeah, the bees in there, mind your lip.
Mind the give you a light now?
Nah, man.
Alright, respect. Not respect, yeah? Alright, pick up on yourself. Alright. Now, what is this?
Where you going, like? So sweet.
Sweet, man.
Where's the honey cone?
Sweet, man. Slap in your mouth.
You want bees?
One stinger? Them be pick off the bees now? Broke piece, give me.
Papa Phil.
Pick off the bees. Make a lot of RTS. See some bees.
I want to see me.
Too sweet, man. Let's see chocolate come out there.
I must be over there wasting.
We say this give diabetes.
I love that style, yeah.
Guys, at first I eat. I eat honey, you know, but I never eat the honey. I put more, guys.
You have to get some bait. And I use them cock up. Use them cock up here.
You see water pretty?
Eh? Which water? Which water you say?
Say, no, guys, but say water deep.
No, man. Shallow water.
See honey?
Eh?
In the park. Hey.
When you see it? See?
One so far, my peeps.
I'm more than one. I'm more than one.
Look your bad them, but they couldn't do the whole of the fire, so. See one?
Where? More than one, man.
My taste looks deceiving now.
We are Chef Nation out what? Here.
Outside with it. Outside with it.
Oh yeah, it's spotter, you know. Yeah, it's spotter.
That's why me yam carrot. Guys, we stop and get some bait. Yeah, you know say, oh God.
Have a little man. Lean foot.
No, sir, this a man
Bend the
over
fork
me.
right down to your foot. Yeah, so you have to do it. Yeah. It's a learning process.
No,
Dig
in
again.
at first.
Dig again. Man.
No, in
You
at
don't
first.
dig up none yet.
Eh?
You don't dig up none. You want that on his teeth?
So then, so you're a tough man?
One? You get one.
I found one.
You get one.
You know, say
Your
fish.
first worm ever.
You know, say fish love them. Yeah.
Work it, farmer girl. Work it like a...
Factory. Ben.
You have to sing so far, no, can you lift up? You can't lift up that. Go on, take out.
You see none?
Flick out it. Alright. Bend the fork right now. Yeah. Then you use your hand now and lift up it.
Up here, clear there, so man. Where's the vibes?
Huh?
Where's the weed is?
Yeah, come on with the driver, yeah, man. Driver, one driver.
Hey!
Oh,
Outside with there.
If you feel at the bush, I want to do your business. Why you feel like a bank here? What's some part, when you go further, then it's a tough, but like all the part, see that? Yeah, see that? I do have one.
Guys, you can't see vibes. You're saying blending in the environment.
But there are my peeps out and active. Sick out, but so you go. You don't know, so you have to sick no one then. You see it, so. We're there, guys. We're late. I'll get the show on the road. So we can find Chevy Nation here, so. We over there, so. Guys, we have to say it.
And weed is.
we eat
How is
this.
it? How is it? So let's stay tuned, my peeps. That is it.
Do not 360, my people. Yeah. Guys, we're outside. We're in the wild, my peeps. Yeah, we are going to hunting today, my people. We are see if we can catch a couple of fish and all these things. So, yeah, man, stay tuned. And as I say, my peeps, go over on the family channel, Vice Family Adventures. Over there, so everything start, my peeps. So, show with the love now. Yeah, man.
Alright, there is Chevy Nation Vlogs. What do you think about? What do you think about?
Take out the
The
goggles.
diver?
Take out the goggles and all these things. We
Knife,
have one knife, this so.
string.
Then we have this as well. One string. So you
Yeah.
know, say, when you come out with your amount, you string your fish on that.
Fully active.
Yeah.
Chevy liner, bush your camera, man. There. Bush as you can see. That's a good one.
Yeah. So we have one Malibu here. Yeah. We have chaser in a bag. So you know, say guys are not normal in there. So when you see them in your face here, see there. You know, say they're not normal, guys.
Set him. All the rod good. You can't find it, will be? No, man, still. Take your time.
Now go watch. What you call it, the baba?
Yeah, the baba.
Now go watch the baba. Must catch one or two today, you know, my peeps. Must catch one or two today.
Believe in it. I fear to them, you know.
I say you believe in
You know,
me.
say you first of it.
Yeah, man, so my peeps, I go watch that. So peeps, let me set up my rod already, you know, guys. Look like it'll get picked out there. Yeah, man. Remember, you know, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe, you know. Hit the notification bell, that's as the video them drop. When you get them. Yeah, man. So, guys, I clear it one spot right here. And drop the line in it. If you want it not up at all. Come here. See if we can catch something today. Yeah, man. So spot you can pay push the pan top of it. So make sure it out, worm the pan already. So I'm gonna try my luck. So stay tuned. The line is out. I'm gonna catch up on it. But you know what is this, my peeps? Yeah, man, this is honey. I'm gonna catch up on it. But you know, patient are patience is the key to survival. So don't say fishing thing and then hurry up something. You have to just relax and do a little thing down. So I'm going to show you how I put on the worm, guys. Let me show you how Chevy put on her worm. Okay, you just want to say the panini, my peeps. I'll lift that little bottom here, so we are move. Yeah, man, so you have that little piece, so we're going to entertain the fish, them, you know. Yeah, man, so see it, yeah. Let me hide the little hook part here, so. Ooh. So see it, my peeps, see it, yeah. Yeah, man, so I'm going to set it back. I put it back right here, so my peeps. Right here, so. Yeah, man, so. Peeps, vibes in the water, see how we are. Maybe I want to look part here, so with my line, see how we are. You know, I try to do a little thing, I don't catch nothing yet, you know. So, as I say, we don't have no salting as yet. But, you know, I have faith in the vibes. I know I come up with one or two. Not going for me yet. But stay tuned, my peeps. Yes, my peeps. See it here? Yes, guys. Whoa. 2 past 3, my peeps. Yeah, man. Chevy not going bad, though. Don't it? Nice size, my people. Nice size, guys. So, guys, I get the fish them scale up and all. Yeah, man. You know, so you have to have patience when you do fish catching. I trust me, you know, from how long I show me line my people. Yeah, but me not going bad. Yeah, man, more big up by some adventures. With family and friends, yeah. Busy hunting. You big up yourself. Kirky outdoor living. Big up yourself as well. And guys, thank you all for your support. Thank you for your subscription. Yeah, man, you know the one Chevy is outside of my peeps. Yeah, man. Chevy Nation Vlogs. That is it. So guys, just stay tuned. May I get the fish them clean up and then we do what we are doing, don't it? Right. So yes, my wonderful viewers and subscribers, let me show you how I go open up the fish. I'm gonna clean it out or not yet, you know. I bust the 2 sides them. There you go. And the other side. So I'm going to take out the backbone. Watch me carefully, you know. So I'm going to take out the backbone and then I'm going to get it open. Bust the front and face. Open it up like this. See there, guys. So easy clean up, my people. So see how they look there, my peeps. I did already do 2 ahead of time. So see it there. Clean meat. See it there, my peeps. So now I get them here wash and get them seasoned up. So stay tuned, my people. So yes, guys, see fish them here, wash already. Yeah, man, so we have some slap your mama here. So these are the pepper one, guys. You know, say you have to have pepper for your fish, don't it? Yeah, man, so I get some in and out. Yeah. We have some complete here as well. Big up Auntie Ina with a complete season, yeah? Yes guys, and we have a little bit of cooking oil here. We're going to add a little to your fish. So guess what now, the cooking oil make your season soak very fast. So take my advice, you don't have to season meat from overnight. You can season it right on spot and just use look like this. And you see the result. Yeah man. And I learned this over Vibes Family Adventures with peeps. As I say, at the family channel, I'm wanting to go over there and check it out. Yeah man. Yeah, I take off my shoes, my peeps. Oh, my hat. A hat like a fire, guys. But check out the surrounding, my peeps. I'm going at 360 shot. Yeah man. That is it. Vibes walk all the way going down there, so. Vibes! Vibes! Down there, so look good, man. Let me follow the one Vibes in my peeps. Where say I go check out that?
Be a mud.
Check out this way. Yes, my peeps. One pan the spear there. Throw it up your Vibes. One Vibesy. Throw man, me calicky. One Vibesy. One Vibesy. Hey, 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 one Vibesy. Hey. Uncle Patrick. Yeah. I went there. See now people. Yeah man. Rain there, yeah, my people. Woo! Woo! You want to one ball today, I rain go fall.
You know, say I got sick. One ball there. You're already a cough already. Hold it.
Guys, the rain pour like crazy, you know. The vibes with the extra tough place. Guys, the rain pour. Trust me. I feel like pretty for a weekend.
Rain like crazy!
Yes, my peeps! We're outside, rain and pour like crazy, guys.
Yeah, go there. You want to the and we back up so far away from home, boy. Nowhere! Guys.
Outside, we there.
A sick bird after. Alright. Yeah, my stop.
Outside, we there. Outside, we there. Outside, we there.
We don't want the sun cooking, but the cooking can't go on. So, I know some water upon the end, so you know nothing can do. We know when the people. We set up 10 fish to go on the night. I know she don't go on night. Go on night 10.
Yes, my peeps.
I'm going to choose online over there, so still I see what I'm going. Set up a little rig and see what I'm going, no? And show line.
Subscribe to the channel, them in my peeps.
That is it.
Nation Vlog and Vibes Family Adventures, my peeps. Yes, man. You know, and then good content. Yeah.
One more time. I can't do George.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
That is it.
The guys out there through a line, you know. To see if you can catch a couple fishes in the rain, yeah. So, see them people, the rain at top fall it, you know. Rain at top fall it.
And the outside looking.
Drinkers drink up.
Birthday drinks.
Yeah.
Anniversary.
Anniversary.
Anniversary?
Yes.
Anniversary drinks.
Yes.
Yeah, man, the 12th of this month gone was our anniversary. Wake up, Pepsi.
This is which you
See, can you come like you don't see how much room you're throwing? And kill everyone, kill me like
Drinkers drink up.
Kill everyone, kill me. Cheers, son of my peeps. Oh.
Oh my God.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh.
Vibes are come with fire stick, my peeps. One day them have catch like a rain just fall. Eh.
All on the water them can like.
Alright. Eh, we said to play with them.
All on the water.
Yes, my peeps, so we look a place set up, you know, guys. Rain deal with the wicked a while ago. But we are here. Where say them are Where say them your name?
Eh?
Pine?
No, Red Hearts. Kasha.
Alright.
Them are blazer dad. Understand? Yeah.
Where say Blaze still a
Them are
man?
lip sync.
Oh, I can stick them.
May I get the focus, please?
Inside, let them drive you through, man. Nice for your stick, you know.
Huh?
You say you keep party, you go buy them, yeah?
Yes, man. Yo! You have a pot, milk pot. Yeah, cook your food and see the water just dash out. Pot and burn out. You know? But I'm gone, you're fat. I said, but what?
So yes, my people. So the pot your arms sit on now. They get the fish going. You man see me, I gotta add some oil to it. Yeah. Add some oil to it, my peeps. Yeah, man. Alright. That is it. Guys, I don't know if you can pick up vibes all the way down there, so you know my peeps. Yeah, man. I threw a line to see you can't catch so far, guys. But we're there, my people, we're there. And we're glad you guys are here with us as well. We have some seasoned flour here. Season it ahead of time. So I'm going to drop the fish them in there. Drop them in the bag. And give them a little twirl. Oh my God. Put them back. But no mind. Still can work. Still can work, my peeps. No mind me flour hand. No mind how my hand them messy. Still can work. Off most of it. Another turn then. What going for you, my dear? We send you day today.
One little bean fish.
Remember?
Yeah, my peeps, today is not my day. Big up yourself. We're there to go on easy. Let's see how
Night I couldn't know
Yeah.
you guys.
fish are frying. He said, I'm going to take one dive and come back.
You take one guys?
One Chevy Nation vlogs.
Yeah.
Can you see the place dark up?
Fish ready, my peeps.
Beautiful.
Fish ready.
I want to say, no head. And then I have more to no head.
Look at my peeps.
Beautiful.
Check it out. Check it out.
Juicy, loss.
Yeah, so nice, guys.
If I know yes tomorrow. Yeah, don't tell me no. Yeah, man, remember the jiver?
That is it. He make sure I say only put up for me now. So then pretty guys. President teacher. Vibes of 5 fish in the pan so far, you know, my peeps. Yeah man, today no go on so good no, but we still a eat, right? Yeah man, today no go on so good, but see what go on in a pan here, so. And so what go on in a pot, yeah. Yeah man. So this set is ready as well. Let me take them out and put them there, so. There's the pan meat. Yeah man. Where's the bite? Yeah. See the guys. Yeah man.
Bro, you don't season. Where's seasoning?
I slap your mama like you. You want it? You want it?
Pan fry.
Where's the making friend and telling friend? See them food.
So see there? The peeps, we're gonna come down again, you know? We're gonna forward again. We're gonna forward again, the peeps. So, got one cheese bread, I go hot up here. I'm gonna put in there for you.
I know one or
Just put it near to the heat. Near to the heat, the peeps. Let them go and eat up. Hey,
Let them go and usa.
Whew. Cheese night to them peeps. Yeah.
Check it out.
Cheese night. So, just put it on the wrap and then go and warm up back. Warm up back away. You know? Warm already?
You warm already? If you put in a pot, look there.
Oh. The cheese now melt. No, the cheese. Put on melting cheese. That melt.
Yeah, it's a melt.
Oh.
Easy DIY.
Fish and cheese bread. Ready, I'm ready. We're gonna come down. Yeah. Oh no, already broke up. See that? Fish. Look back piece later in the piece.
Later and done.
You wanna get fun talking? Guys, let me tell you something. Pan flesh. Pan flesh. Yeah. 100% flesh this thing. Beer.
Flesh for days.
Woo! Oh mama. This is one I beat to make you go mama. Chevy Daddy style.
I'm gonna sample it, you know, guys. I'm gonna sample it with my cheese bread. Look at it, my peeps.
More big, you know?
Remember, say hot.
You never say hot. Oh.
Wow.
I fish it up, but the fish.
I tell you, plain boy fish, man.
One Chevy Nation. One and only.
I know two Chevy.
One.
Look here, guys.
Fish and cheese.
Fully, eh?
Oh my.
Boy. Oh, Jesus.
Tell people about hunting. What is it like to hunt?
Guys, it's a great experience. One thing with fishing, you know, you have to have patience. Patience is the key to survival. So guys, me out there throw my line. How long? But eventually, me go on with a vibe. But hunting. And guys, you see, when you catch your first fish, you just boost up it chew and chew and chew. Especially if you have competition side of you. You will chew the whole day.
Some people do the right thing, you know. Like, comment and share Chevy Nation vlog to the world. Upcoming channel. You see it? Yeah man, and big up one turkey, you know. Out and active, my brother. You see it? One fall wildlife. Adventure in the tropics. They say them and Boom families are friend.
Yeah man, and big up.
Stella! Big up yourself, Stella Gray. You know? Peace, my brother burn. Take up my brother.
I just say it.
Oh, no.
Are you trying to feel this? Are you trying to feel?
Oh, that's this way. Cheese bread.
Yo, the cheese bad, you know? When you say a driver come here, be my friend fishing. You know, man?
You're vlogging for me. I'm naming by me now. Come on, get that.
You driver, be my friend, man. You think that way you want to come from? Fish nice, my peeps. And as me say, you can just, when you look after the fish, you can just burst it. Open like how this me open it. Yeah man, you get all of the meat. Come like more meat, come like You know, this reminds me of when I'm out the door. I'm outside with my grandma. You know? My grandma never done fry fish, but we usually do other things. And that was my pleasure being outside with her, you know? I do a little cooking and smoke a guinea. And all these things. I was my grandmother's favorite, you know. Oh, you don't orange fish for my grandma, you know, guys. Do what? She be can't do nothing wrong for your grandma. But, oh there. I third time now. You ready for now, you know? We had made it to the end of another video. Yeah, man. And thank you all for your support. Thank you all for your subscription. So, until our next time, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. That's as the video them drop. You will get them. Oh. Let's see, I'll go eat more.
That is it, my peeps.
Yes, man.